Hi guys, welcome to Sadi's SFDC. In this video, we are going to see about a productivity tool for Salesforce. Organizer for Salesforce. It is a Google Chrome extension just like Salesforce Inspector. It helps to organize your logins in different arcs of Salesforce like production, sandbox. And it also helps as a quick navigator for executing anonymous codes and query editor, etc. Now we are going to see how to add this organizer for Salesforce extension in Google Chrome. Go to the Google browser and type Salesforce Organizer and then search. In first link itself you will get the extension. Click it and click add to Chrome. The extension will be added. Once after installing the extension, if you click this icon, it will show all the installed extensions. And you can click this icon to pin that organizer for Salesforce so that you can view the icon here itself. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.